Today we are setting up Anthropic Claude Code for free on Windows 11 and we are doing exactly in 10 minutes without hitting a single installation error. Now, if you have spent any time on developer, Twitter or Reddit, the common consequences is that Claude Code is built natively for Mac and Linux, meaning Windows users are basically forced to struggle through broken NPM, permission missing, path variables, or just stick to standard API wrappers. But that is completely wrong. You don't need any Mac and you don't need to or dual boot Linux. There is a precise three-step configuration sequence that forces Windows to run on Cloud Code flawlessly while completing a bypass Anthropic expensive default billing cycles. So let's start. First, we have to download the Node.js org. So go into that and just download it. So it just set up your environment. So go to the git node.js and just download it from here. You can see Windows installer. After going into that, after finishing all the setup, just go into your command prompt, which is cmd. And if you have installed, just write it there, node v. So if you write it, you can see this version. So this version has already installed in my laptop. So if you see here, this is already installed. So after installing here, you can see this. And after that, you just have to go into the open router, which will be the local LLM, just like an API key. So after going into that, just log in it here. I have already logged in. So you just have to log in it here and just go to the get API key. After getting API key, just get the API key, like just name it, and after just save it this API key, and I've already saved. So after going into the command, just paste this, which is this. So after going into these, just paste this, you can paste it, and after pasting it, start installing. And before that, you just have to go into the environment variable. Here you can see edit system, uh, edit environment. Before this, just go to the environment variable and just paste this anthropic key, anthropic base URL like this, and anthropic model like this, and just click OK. After clicking OK, you will see the package has started, and after that, you just have to paste this command. So go here and just paste this command. Here you can see I have pasted this command, and this notepad has just opened after pasting this command. So you just have to paste all this into this with your anthropic just open with open router API key. And after that, just go to just say Claude, just type Claude, and you can see here, just enter, and here you can see it's just installed. And if I give it a prompt like if you just give it like a high, create a page landing create a simple landing page for the for my laptop shop, just start working. And if you see here, it just start getting that token big for 14 second. Yeah. Yeah, so if you see here, it has build a welcome to our laptop shop, find the perfect laptop for work gaming studio like this. And about the, yeah, so this has been developed by this. So yeah, thank you guys.